Okay, I got them old Hero 7 Silver Blues. Yeah, you heard my story on part one. If you didn't, I'll tell you again. I got the silver instead of the black. I'm going to want to use this thing to snowboard, to go up in trees, to ride motorcycles in crazy places and bumpy places, and maybe even on the street. I got some Harleys. They're a little vibrating at times, and I wanted to just have a better camera to give good video. And well, I got the Hero 7 Silver Blues. I found out it ain't got all the stuff the Hero 7 Black's got, and I kind of want it, so I'm stuck either using the silver as a second camera, trying to sell it with the box unopened, and then buy a new black, or now at this point, with them being $70 different, I got opportunity now to just skip going to the black and go and buy me a Hero 8 black. Luckily in Hero 8, they don't mess around with these black, this non-intuitive, ridiculous black silver color nonsense. I think they just got a Hero 8. It is black, and it all kicks butt. I don't think they even let you buy a almost pretty good one and a kind of medium one. They just go right for the good one, and I like that. Boy, the other way is just not intuitive, unless you do your research or know. I mean, God, if you had a Hero smiley face and a Hero really smiley face and a Hero super happy face, it'd be obvious. Or Hero 1 gold star, 2 gold stars, 3 gold stars. I don't know. Maybe I'm just stupid, and I probably am because I'm old, and that's what happens when you get old. Watch out. But so here I am. This is the blues, the Hero 7 Silver Blues, and it's tied into a related song, but more in the key of E, Hero 7 Silver Quandary, or the Hero Upgrade Quandary. What do I do? What am I going to do? Am I going to try to upgrade, get rid of the old one, upgrade to a 7? Am I going to keep the old one and get a 7 black? Am I going to keep the old one and instead of upgrading to a 7 black, just spend an extra $70 and go right to the 8? Because it does have some more features and some improvements on the admittedly groundbreaking features of the 7. So there I am. I'm not sure what to do. This is a whole lot talking about a Hero 7 I don't even got yet. It's supposed to be here maybe tomorrow or for sure the day after. But I'm getting excited. And these are going to be my first videos, not even filmed on a Hero 7. This is just a darn camera in my old dirty laptop, so it probably looks pretty crappy. And maybe my videos will get better. So this is like maybe the third video in my Hero 7 Blues or Hero 7 Silver Saga, whatever you want to call it. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. I'll see you next time.